partying way too much.
I'm more than focused.
No future, like no.
Let's hit the muscles. Let me flex on these.
They don't care enough. They're not in the same mindset.
But we going somewhere though. We going somewhere exciting.
You know how long it takes?
Do you know where we're going?
I don't know, nigga. But we going somewhere though. We going somewhere exciting. All I know is that I brought the baby oil.
I got the.
Yo, you see this nigga always promoting it. What do you need a condom for?
How many times have you been camping before?
Multiple times. I can't even.
I'm not
lie.
talking about that ton of camp.
When they say I'm focused, I'm more than focused.
Watch me. I no more think of myself as being as old as I am than fly.
All right, I'm ready. You guys better hurry up.
Lighter, knife, spoon, fork, do a bit for those hygiene towels.
Both of you guys brought blankets.
I told you like 5 times. Bro, you do you.
What's your contribution to this campsite?
Me? This body, doesn't build itself,
It's 11:09 back at the crib. Didn't know the car had a proper charger, so I can charge my stuff. Gonna grab some utensils, chopping board, potentially something else, but let's see.
Do you know how long it takes for one of those trees to grow to full size?
20 years.
Yeah.
Where we at? Alright, so we made it to the site. We're about to go see what's good, where we can park up, and see what the story is, Rory. These are perfect spots for the tents, but also the further you go, the further you gotta carry. So. Harus bayar lagi.
Di sana. Ya.
Di situ?
Ya.
Over there also?
Ya.
Berapa?
Harga tiketnya saya tidak tahu di sana.
So we're now checking out the second spot. This one's like right on the lake. As you can see, I am starving. I usually fast. I usually eat till like 4 or 5 p.m. But when I eat, the hunger just, I don't know. It's crazy. So yeah, I just grabbed these banana chips. So we're scoping this place out to see if this is gonna be the one. Nah, this shit is beautiful over here. Okay.
Guilty.
Huh?
Guilty.
We're not.
Yo, stop resisting arrest. Pew, 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 pew.
We staying here or not?
Not looking good, Brad.
What?
We've got electricity and everything here.
Oh.
It's not looking good. They have electricity. Can you believe electricity? How dare they? How dare they have electricity?
Honestly, like the best place was the first place.
All right, so now it's time to eat before we start setting up the tents and all that stuff. So So yeah, if y'all in this area trying to get some good food before you go doing whatever, it's a decent spot. Hello. Hey. Sakit napi. I think we found our camping spot. Oh yeah, we need to make a fire for the s'mores.
We just take the car.
Kayu menyalawi. Menyala.
Kayu cengkeh.
Alright, so when you pull up, you got these dudes here. They got the firewood. They'll set it up for you, so you ain't gotta worry.
Cooking. Masak.
Masawi, menyalawi. And it's 25K per bundle? Yeah. Oh, sick. Alright, so it's like 5 p.m. Got the fire going. Homie setting it up. Got the tents down. Yassine was the quickest tent setter upper I've ever seen in my life.
And set it up, or didn't even do his fucking YouTube videos.
So yeah, now probably gonna start cooking a little bit because we got hot meat in the bag, and yeah, probably explore a little bit too. So that's what's cracking right now. Careful with that arm, bro.
If you could read one full page of a Harry Potter book, I'll give $750,000 to whatever charitable organization you want to.
Yeah, baby. I'm in nature. I read books.
Yeah. 10 pages of a Harry Potter.
What's something you're always the one to do in a group, whether you like it or not? For me, that's dance. I'm gonna be. What's a time when the city you live in felt overwhelming, and how did you cope? I don't know if it was overwhelming, but a place I just didn't like that much was Ho Chi Minh. The overwhelming part was definitely driving. Like people, I feel like they drive like they want to crash, like it's their goal every day. And then also like you try to talk to people, most locals, even if you're trying to speak Vietnamese, they'll go like this in your face. It's a fun place to party, but living wasn't really for me.
That's why I don't like cities anymore. Yeah. It's like too much. I feel paranoid and stressed in cities. I live right here actually. Right here, right now. A couple of more Indomies, some steaks, good to go. I need to pee really so bad.
Those who enter the darkness may never see the light if they do not open their eyes and follow the voice down into the mountain. They forge their breath. They sacrifice their souls for the paper. To eat, to sleep, to wither away.
That's so. Alright, so my Indonesian understanding. Mencari is looking, fish, and something. Something, raccoons, something, and something, birds. Yep, I think that's the name of it. Thank you. Above something. So yeah, it's not the hottest out here. So Keith seems to
Go check,
George W.
Go check. Google, you have a headlamp. Go check.
I'll give it to you.
You guys not scared of going now?
It's time. You know what it is. Y'all 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 know what it is. Some more right up.
If you're looking for your blood pressure to go up, just 16 squares of chocolate.
Alright, so it's bedtime here in the tent. So I got all my clothes, all my stuff in here, most of it. Some more stuff in there, Catan, of course. Just, of course. So here's the setup. It's pretty comfortable. Like, I got lots of room. My 6'3" still has room to go. I mean, I'm up against the edge. I can move down, but yeah, gonna look over some of the ads. Alright, I'm tired anyway, so I think. Good morning. So yeah, very, very far from a peaceful sleep. Pretty sure most people do not sleep here, and their speakers have been on all night. Yeah.
Water, bro. There's
How'd you guys sleep?
fall asleep.
This looks sick. Bliganta. Ciao. Kinati. I got the homies over here. Swastiasto.
Why so high? I mean, I had nothing then, bruv. Oh yeah, I was drunk, man. One of the greatest things I've ever did. Just ask. Everyone is just glued together nearly, you know?
You didn't want to go back home. What was like?
My life was life was like not good, you know, partying way too much. I can't even have conversations with people like that anymore.